Hello my sweetie pumpkins, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make something absolutely magical, a Tulip Square Light. Here's what you'll need for this tutorial. LED fairy lights, tulip flower covers, small plastic leaves, transparent beads, reflective plastic sheets, corner clips, double-sided stickers and some glue stick. Let's get started. Make sure your string lights are working properly before you begin. Start by threading each tulip flower onto the LED wire. Insert each tiny bulb into the center of the tulip flower. Then gently twist the wire to secure it in place. Each bulb should match with one flower. Remove the protective film from the back of the flowers. Use a glue stick, melted with a lighter or glue gun, to secure each flower as it's shown in the video. Underneath each flower, stick on a small green leaf, then decorate with a few transparent beads for a soft, sparkling finish. Now peel off the protective film from your reflective sheets. Before sticking them together, apply double-sided adhesive stickers to the edges of the sheets or the plastic corner clips. Then carefully align and connect all 4 sheets to form a square frame. It should look like a mirror when the lights are off. Secure the light switch to the corner of your frame using glue or tape. Make sure it's easy to access. Final look, let's turn off the lights and see how our Tulip Square Lights glows in the dark. Isn't it dreamy? If you enjoyed this DIY, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more cozy creations and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. See you soon!